Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork soup. To begin, choose high-quality pork, such as shoulder or ribs, for a robust flavor. Next, gather your favorite aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, along with essential spices. You'll then create a savory broth, which forms the heart of your soup. Finally, gently simmer all ingredients until they are perfectly tender and the flavors have fully melded together. Start by cutting your chosen pork, like shoulder or ribs, into manageable pieces. For a deeper flavor, brown the pork in a large pot over medium-high heat until it develops a nice crust. Then, add enough water or chicken stock to fully cover the pork. Incorporate aromatics such as sliced ginger, whole garlic cloves, and a quartered onion to infuse the broth with wonderful fragrance. Once the pork has simmered for about 1 hour, it's time to add your vegetables. Hearty root vegetables like diced carrots and potatoes can go in first. Later, stir in quicker cooking leafy greens such as bok choy or spinach. Season the soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a splash of soy sauce. Taste and adjust the seasonings to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. Continue to simmer your pork soup gently for at least 1 hour, or until the pork is fork tender and the vegetables are cooked through. Before serving, remove any large pieces of ginger or onion if desired. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs like chopped cilantro or green onions. This delicious pork soup is wonderful served alongside steamed rice or your favorite noodles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.